Hi grade 2, Miss Roy here. I can't wait to show you how we're going to be doing our daily 5 stations. So watch this video to learn more about how to do this routine. The first thing you're going to do when we head to daily 5 is check out the daily 5 board. This is where you will see which station you're at today. So we walk over to the board and you're going to look for the cactus that has your team's name. So if I was on Team Super, I would check the board and see that today Team Super is on writing. Now these are going to change every day. So if Team Super is here today, they're going to probably be here tomorrow. That's why it's important to check every day. So here we are checking the name of our group and which station we're at. After that, we quickly and quietly head to the station we're at. Every day, there will be 1, 2, 3, and maybe even 5 points available for the groups who get straight to work and who do the most work during daily 5. That's why it's going to be very important to make sure you're getting right to work. Now, let's have a look at what you should be doing at each station. If you are on Read with the Teacher, you're going to quietly walk over to the round table. You will take a look at the books that I have put on the table for you. You'll get a chair, sit down, and quietly start reading. Miss Roy will be there right away to help you work through the book, give you questions to answer, and tell you what your purpose for reading is. Until Miss Roy gets here, you're just quietly reading with your group. Now let's say you see that your name is on Word Work. Word Work, you're going to quietly walk over to the Word Work supply bin, which is located at this table here, and it's this first bin. So the first thing you have to do at Word Work is practice those spelling words. You're going to do this by getting one whiteboard. If you fish deeper, there is a wet erase pen, and you're going to take your board and your pen over to the carpet. You and your whole group are going to sit down at the carpet quietly, where you're going to practice the spelling words. The first spelling word this week is beautiful. So I'm going to write that word on my board. This is a great chance for me to practice my great writing. Notice that these boards have the lines, so you want to make sure all your letters are perfectly made. The person who is the supplies person in your group is going to come around and make sure that everyone's letters are properly made. You have a chance to practice the words a couple times here, so really make sure you know what is the sound of the word, so say it out loud. Beautiful. After you've written all the spelling words, you're going to erase the board. Now, since this is a wet erase marker, it has to be erased with water. This is where the supplies person in your group is going to come in handy again. They're going to make sure there is one wet paper towel for your whole group. All you're going to do there is take one paper towel, you're going to wet it, and we don't want to leave a big mess, so we're going to squeeze it out just so that it's wet like this. One wet one, one dry one should erase all of the boards for everyone in your group. Simply erase it, dry it, and now it's time to put those supplies back. You want to make sure to take really good care of these whiteboards because they won't last forever. Put the supplies away, and now your group can choose from the other fun activities available in the Word Work bin. Now, let's say your group is assigned to work on writing. This one's really simple. You can see here we have the bright pink paper, writing. All you're doing is working on Writer's Workshop. You get a chance to get your folder, get a piece of paper, and work on writing whatever you'd like. You'll take your folder, you'll take some paper. The pens are located under the paper. Head to your desk and start writing. If your group is on Listen to Reading, you are going to find either the Chromebooks or the iPads. You're going to log in at your desk. You're going to get your headphones from the bin. And once you log in, you're going to head to Rad's Kids. There you can listen to anything you'd like. If Miss Roy sees your computer is on anything else, you will lose your computer privileges. So make sure you log in and head straight to Rad's Kids. Last but not least, we have silent reading. For silent reading, you and your group are going to choose some books and sit together at the carpet. It's pretty simple, but you have to make sure. Are you choosing books that you know how to read? There are some books that we look at for fun and to challenge ourselves. But during silent reading, we have to choose a book that's a good fit. This means we can read all the words on the pages without any help. You might need to choose your books from these bins. If you're taking from this bin, choose about 3 or 4 books. You might need to choose your books from these bins. If you are past level M, you can choose a book from the bookshelf. But you have to be reading the whole time. We're not pretend reading and looking at the pages. We're actually reading the words. The supplies person from your group is going to help make sure that you're actually reading by taking this silent reading book, which is in the bin right here, and they are going to write down who read what. So during Daily 5, each person will be in charge of writing down their name and the books that they've read. This is a way to show Miss Roy that you've actually been reading during this time. All you're going to do, write your name and the title of your book. That's it. So I hope that you enjoy these new Daily 5 centers. I'm very excited for you to show me how responsible and wonderful you're going to be at handling these stations, and we're going to learn lots together.